Hello everyone, today I just wanted to show you guys this Monster Jam Gravedigger small RC car. This is really nice, fun toy. My kids really like it. We just opened it today and they had really a lot of fun. As you can see here, it shows the package content here and some warning for small kids. So here, this is the main deal. It looks super nice, cool. It has a really nice design and nice green color along with purple color. The tires are soft, not a hard one. These are soft rubber, and it comes with this very cute remote control. You need AAA battery, 2 of them, and it comes with this charger to charge the truck itself, and comes with this ramp. It is very easy to put it together, so you can see there are some holes here, and it comes just like this. So you would just align it here on both sides and just put it together. So this is a nice toy, and it's not really like traditional RC, like you can turn right and left. Instead it just control with like restriction of one tire. As you can see here, if I want to turn right or left, I have to just press this. You can see here, this one, just the right one turns and the other one is the same thing. And here, when you press this, you can see this one turn this way, and the other one is like, when you put it down, it just rotates around. So you can make 360-degree turns. And this has couple speed. You can go back and forward with the same speed, but this is like super fast speed. When you press this, it just goes really fast. So the kids are really enjoying with it. So this is nice. I hope you guys like this.